Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to deposit crypto on Changelly. So for you to be able to deposit crypto, here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily deposit crypto on Changelly. So the first thing to do is to open the Changelly app or visit the Changelly website and sign in into your account using your account credentials, which involves your email and password. So after that, you have to tap or click wallet or deposit crypto on the dashboard. Then choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Then copy the wallet address shown for the specific coin. Then go to your external wallet or exchange, for example, Binance or Trust Wallet or Bybit. Then select the send or withdrawal. Then paste your Changelly wallet. So once you paste your Changelly wallet address and confirm the network is correct, enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. So wait for a few minutes for blockchain confirmation. Your funds will definitely appear in your Changelly account once verified. And listen to this first very important safety reminder: always double check the wallet address and the network before sending crypto to avoid permanent loss of your fund. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the pin button and subscribe for more guide.